Now here's a bird that is well known for singing at night. See that? Yes, I'm stood at night time. It's late at night and I'm listening to a nightingale. Isn't that amazing? Absolutely amazing. Now nightingales, that's a male singing. The males sing, and they sing particularly loud in order to attract females that are passing over on their migration high up. They've come here from Africa, and they're little brown jobs, we call them, us birders. They're not the most exciting birds to look at, but they make up for it with that amazing song. And it's just landed above me. And they do sing in the daytime too. The name Nightingale comes from Old English, I think. Songstress of the night or something like that. But they do sing during the day. But listen to that, it's late at night. There's nothing else really singing apart from the nightingale. Nightingale are a bird that's declined by 92% since the 1970s. And I've got one singing right here. And nothing quite sings like a nightingale. They're incredibly special. How about that? It's pitch black where I am, absolutely pitch black. I've got a torch here on my camera and a microphone so I can talk nice and quiet without disturbing a nightingale that's probably about 10 metres away from me in that bush. It's a real honour and a treat to hear a nightingale sing at night time. They're now a very, very rare bird. Cheers, guys. Get wild.